Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best paint remover is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to restore antique furniture, refresh a deck, or simply strip away years of old, stubborn paint from wooden surfaces, offering a satisfying transformation that reveals the natural beauty beneath, making your DIY project significantly easier and more rewarding. Number 5. Smart Strip Advanced Paint Remover. Introducing Smart Strip Advanced Paint Remover. This innovative solution makes stripping old coatings simple and effective, whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor projects. Unlike many harsh removers, this product is water-based and non-caustic. It achieves powerful results without dangerous chemicals like methylene chloride or NMP, ensuring a safer experience for you. It's incredibly versatile, removing acrylic, latex, oil, and water-based paints, varnishes, and stains. You can trust it to handle a wide range of finishes on your surfaces. This advanced formula can strip up to 15 layers of paint in a single application. It delivers powerful performance, saving you time and effort on tough removal jobs. Use it confidently on wood, brick, stone, metal, and many other materials. It's compatible with a wide array of surfaces, making it your go-to remover for various projects. Remember to always perform a test patch before full use. This helps ensure compatibility with your specific coating and determines the optimal dwell time for best results. To ensure it performs at its best, keep it in a wet state during removal. Covering it with laminated paper prevents premature drying and speeds up the stripping process. What we like. This remover is a fantastic choice for those prioritizing safety and versatility. Its non-caustic, water-based formula makes it gentle on surfaces and the user. If you're tackling multiple layers of paint on various materials, this product offers a powerful yet safe solution. What people say. Number 4. Therapy Wood Polish Bundle. Bring your wood furniture back to life with this premium polish. It's designed to clean, restore, and condition, revealing its inherent warmth and shine. Say goodbye to dirt and grime. This powerful cleaner effortlessly removes buildup, leaving surfaces spotless and refreshed. Not just a cleaner, it also restores and conditions. It penetrates deep to nourish the wood, protecting it from future damage. Enjoy the pleasant aroma of natural almond as you clean. It leaves your home smelling fresh and inviting, enhancing your cleaning experience. This bundle includes a generous 16-ounce bottle and a microfiber cloth for easy application. Everything you need for a brilliant finish is right here. Use it on cabinets, tables, and all your wood furniture. It's safe and effective for a variety of wood surfaces, ensuring consistent results. What we like. This product excels at restoring and maintaining the natural beauty of your wood. Its unique blend cleans, conditions, and leaves a pleasant almond scent. If you're looking to nourish and protect your wood furniture after any stripping or cleaning, this bundle is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. LEMATEC Sand Blaster Gun Kit AS118-2C. Introducing the LEMATEC Sand Blaster Gun Kit, your ultimate tool for tough jobs. This versatile kit is perfect for rust removal, glass etching, and preparing various surfaces with ease. It's designed to tackle a wide range of projects efficiently. To achieve continuous operation, it requires a minimum of 4 CFM at 90 psi. This powerful tool can handle a maximum pressure of 150 psi. It comes fitted with a standard 1/4 NPT connector for easy setup. For best results, avoid pancake compressors under 6 gallons. Continuous sandblasting demands high air volume, not just pressure. Using smaller 1 to 3 gallon compressors will lead to sputtering and reduced performance, so ensure your compressor meets the requirements. This kit offers 2 convenient feed modes, gravity feed for quick, detailed work and siphon feed for larger, flat surfaces. It even includes a 7-foot siphon hose for extended reach. Remember, siphon mode needs maximum airflow from your compressor. To prevent clogging and ensure optimal performance, always use an inline airline filter or water trap to keep the air dry. Only use clean, dry abrasive media, such as aluminum oxide or glass beads, within the 46 to 100 grit range. LEMATEC tools are engineered to solve real problems with lasting quality. This sand blaster features a hardened ceramic nozzle, which is far superior to plastic alternatives. Its fully serviceable design makes it ideal for both professional and demanding DIY environments. What we like. This sandblaster is perfect for heavy-duty paint removal and surface preparation. Its dual feed modes offer flexibility for both small details and larger areas. If you need a robust and efficient solution for automotive rust or tough coatings, this tool provides professional-grade results. What people say. No reviews provided in the source. No reviews provided in the source. Number 2. ZORBX Extra Strength Remover and Cleaner Spray. Are you tired of stubborn stains and unpleasant smells lingering in your home or car? This powerful solution is designed to tackle even the toughest messes with ease. It boasts an extra strength formula that works hard so you don't have to. Say goodbye to endless scrubbing and hello to effortless cleaning. Unlike harsh alternatives, this cleaner is completely bleach-free. You can trust it to be tough on dirt but gentle on your surfaces. From your bathroom shower to your car's interior, it's incredibly versatile. Use it on ceilings, carpets, walls, and even wood without worry. This product doesn't just mask odors, it eliminates them at the source, along with unsightly stains. Enjoy a truly fresh and clean environment. Restore the beauty of your home and refresh your living spaces with this all-in-one solution. It makes cleaning simpler and more effective than ever before. What we like. This versatile spray is ideal for quick cleanups and stain removal on various surfaces, including wood. Its scrub-free, bleach-free formula makes it easy to use without harsh chemicals. If you're dealing with general stains and odors on wood or other areas, this offers a convenient and effective solution. What people say. The paint remover effectively penetrates multiple layers of old paint on wood. It works well on various types of wood surfaces without causing damage. Number 1. Goof Hardwood Floor Paint Splatter Remover. Are stubborn paint splatters ruining your beautiful hardwood floors? This powerful solution is designed to tackle even the most challenging messes, restoring them to their original glory. Unlike general cleaners, it's formulated specifically for hardwood, ensuring effective removal without damaging delicate surfaces. You can trust it to be tough on paint but gentle on your floors. Applying it is simple and straightforward. Just follow the instructions, and watch as it works its magic, dissolving unwanted paint with minimal effort from you. Each 12-ounce bottle provides ample solution for multiple cleanup jobs. It's a convenient size that ensures you have enough on hand for unexpected spills. Say goodbye to unsightly paint marks and hello to pristine hardwood. It helps you maintain the elegance and value of your home with ease. What we like. This remover is specifically formulated for those annoying paint splatters on hardwood floors. Its targeted action quickly dissolves drips and spills without damaging the finish. If you've just finished a painting project and need to clean up accidental splatters on your wood floors, this is your go-to solution. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.